Hallelujah, blessed people. This is Prime TV, and my name is Bramwell Kwendo. This video is for the correspondents in the house of the Lord who want to know how to make banners, posters, and even to go live on in their church. So I want to show. First, I will start with the banners and posters. So this is my studio apps. This is my app gallery. For the banners, we'll use this app called KineMaster. KineMaster. I think you can see it. It is reddish and whitish with a K in the middle. So let's see how this KineMaster looks like. So KineMaster looks like this. This is a sample. So let me select it. This is a sample. This is a poster. I'm working on it currently. So blessed people, mainly in posters and banners, the only thing you have to consider is you go to the gallery store, to the store, asset store, then go to scroll down to fonts. Then you can download the fonts you need. There are several: handwriting, display, serifs and serifs, then Japanese, Koreans, and all those. So you will download the one you think it's beautiful and suits for you. And then the next thing is the photo collection. For example, this is a photo. This is a photo of the mightiest prophets of Jehovah. So to get these photos, you can download them from the internet and remove the background, or you can crop any banner. You can crop any banner that you have. Those that other people normally send in WhatsApp groups and all over the internet. You can use them, and then you crop them and remove the background using this app. I'll show you in the tutorial. So first of all, download KineMaster and download the fonts. I told you to get the fonts. You go to the asset store, then scroll down to the fonts here, then download the one you need. The next video, I'll be making a tutorial of a sample from the first to the last, or from the beginning to the end, when myself making a banner as a demo. Thank you, blessed people. You are much welcome.